Welcome to the Tarrant County College Student Users Tutorial Series. This video is designed to demonstrate the most effective process for remotely accessing your TCCD Virtual Windows 10 Desktop applications and web apps through your internet browser. This can be achieved with your laptop, desktop, mobile phone, or any tablet, whether you are on campus or off. For this video, we'll use Google Chrome, but we'll be sure to point out any significant differences between browsers as we go along. Please note, your bandwidth speed may directly affect the speed and responsiveness of the TCCD site. To check your bandwidth speed for both uploads and downloads, open a new browser tab and type Speed Test. When you log in for the first time, simply choose your preferred browser and open a new tab. Navigate to the VDI here. Log in with your TCCD OneLog account. If you have not received your login credentials, please contact support immediately. Your student email should be structured as firstname.lastname@my.tccd.edu. Faculty and staff emails are firstname.lastname@tccd.edu. If at any time you forget your password or if your username is incorrect, follow the prompts on the login window. To reset your password, click Forgot Password. You will be asked a series of security questions which you selected during your first online session. Once you have successfully completed these requests, you will be asked to change your password. If you are unable to complete this process for any reason, you can reach out to support for a full reset. Please note, once your password has been reset, it may take up to 30 minutes to activate. Enter your network login password and click Sign In. Once you've logged in, you will be on the Favorites page. Use this page to organize your most used applications and desktop workspaces. The Apps tab provides a list of all applications available to you based on your student or faculty profile. These categories are referred to as pools. They are visible and accessible only when they have been assigned to you. If you do not see an application that you believe should be assigned to you, first click See All to reveal those which may be hidden. If you still don't see what you're looking for based on your assigned pool, contact support. Students will not see the faculty pool, but the faculty will see the student pool. If you see a pool to which you are not assigned, contact support. This tab, For You, will be updated with new or pending actions requiring your attention, as well as news that may be helpful to you throughout the year. We have a great support team here to help you with any technical issues or needs you may encounter. The Tech Resources tab provides helpful resources, tech support, VDI assistance, information about your devices, and other contact information. To get started, let's return to Favorites. As a new user, this page will be unpopulated. To start adding applications to your Favorites page, click Add Favorites. From the Apps page, a list of applications that are available to you will appear. There are 3 categories of access: faculty and staff, student, and all apps. If you do not see the category that matches your profile, please contact your support team. To add an application to your Favorites page, simply click the 3-dot icon in the bottom right corner of that application and choose Add to Favorites. Some apps have a star icon, which provides the same function. Click Favorites at the top of the page and you will see the selected application has now been added. This is now a shortcut to the app, available every time you log in. It is very important that you always launch your VDI applications from the browser. You can create this setting in your profile to ensure this happens each time you open an application. In the top right corner of the page, click on your initials and select Settings. For Mac users and in some browsers, this will display as Account. Either is fine as they perform the same function. In your Preferences page, select the browser option and click Update. Update is the same as Save. Always save any changes you've made and want to keep. Otherwise, they will not be active when you close your settings. Nice work! You have completed the setup process. You can continue adding more apps to your Favorites page, or you can sign out. When you're ready to sign out, just click your initials at the top right and select Sign Out. Earlier in this video, we referred to each of these resources as apps. It should be noted, however, that some of these are actually links to websites within the TCCD network. Any resource titled Website will open that site in a new browser tab. Any websites requiring a username and password will request your login credentials before you can access the contents on that site. If you visit a website for which you do not have credentials and feel you should, please contact your student administrator or support for assistance. Most apps can be launched without opening Student Workspace first. Simply click the icon. Select Student Workspace to launch the Virtual Desktop. Please note, the first time you launch an application like Word or Excel, there may be a slight delay. Subsequent applications should load much faster once the Virtual Desktop has been opened. With some browsers, your Virtual Desktop will open in the same tab. In those instances, simply use your back arrow to return to your Favorites page. In other browsers, the Virtual Desktop opens in a new tab, allowing you to jump between the two. From the desktop, click the Windows 10 Start menu. You will see a list of applications and tools available through the VDI. Select any application to open it and start working. If you are unfamiliar with any of these applications, a brief summary of each is included in this video series. The first time you log into your Virtual Desktop, you should be prompted to set up your OneDrive. If this setup window does not appear on its own, follow these steps to set up your OneDrive before you start any work in any application. Log into OneDrive and establish a folder or a set of folders where you will save and store your work. Select OneDrive and use your TCC login credentials to log in. When prompted, select Allow my organization to manage my device and click Yes. You're all set. Click Done and begin using your apps and services with your OneDrive workspace established. Your OneDrive folder allows you to access your files from other devices while keeping them on your student PC. Click Next. Follow the prompts until you get to this screen. Click Open my OneDrive folder. You are now logged into your OneDrive. Please note, when using the VDI Microsoft apps like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, you may need to re-enter your login information for OneDrive again. It will always be your original TCCD VDI username and password. Do a quick test by saving a new document to your OneDrive. Open Word and open a blank document. Once the new document opens, type something into the document. It really doesn't matter what you type here, as this is just a test. Now, click File, Save As, and Add a Place. Please note, it is very important that you save all documents to OneDrive for Business, not OneDrive Basic. If you have not already set up your OneDrive for Business account, you will need to do so now. All applications and virtual desktops have a sidebar tab. This tab may appear open or closed depending on the browser and application you use. The tab controls the application and allows you to log off when required. To expand or minimize the tab, click the tab handle. The sidebar tab will expand or minimize according to its state when clicked. When you're finished with an application, click the tab to expand the Horizon sidebar tab. The application will appear in the sidebar panel. Click the Logout menu option as shown here. When the confirmation screen appears, click OK to log off and end the session. To completely log off from your desktop workspace, click on your initials in the top right corner and click Sign Out. Congratulations! You are off to a great start and a really exciting year. Welcome to Tarrant County College.